So in this Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to edit line spacing here on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, which is opened up right now, if I were to go ahead and just type in line spacing a few times right here, I actually have it set to 2. So every time I press return or go to a new line, it's going to be for 2. But if you wanted to change this, what I'll do right here is I'll highlight the text right here, go to the top right, press on the paintbrush icon, then this option opens up. Scroll down to the bottom to where it says line spacing and select this. If you wanted to bring it back down to 1, as you can tell you can. You can make it smaller, you can make it larger, whatever the case may be. Let's say you're good with this at 3.25, press OK right here. Then if I were to go ahead and type in line spacing again, it's going to do 3.25 line spacing or whatever I set it to. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to edit line spacing on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.